Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick review of this Keter XL trash can storage receptacle here that we got to hide our trash cans. Pretty unsightly when they're outside here in a neighborhood like this. So we wanted to get something to hide them. This actually matched up nicely with our garage and our exterior. But the thing that I like most is we have some larger size garbage cans, and this have the capacity to fit them. And you can see this is also pretty durable. See, we have a pretty much oversized garbage can there. So I will say this was a snap to put together. It's well built. It seems durable and really nice. Sort of piece here that we're happy to have, and really will help the aesthetics of hiding the garbage cans. So check this out for the installation. Okay, so we're going to unbox this thing. It all comes packed in this compact little bundle. And here are all the parts laid out. You can kind of see they're all made of a very hard plastic, a little flexible. That's the 4 parts, and this looks like the pieces to put it together. Step 1 is remove the metal bar. Next, we'll put the side wall in by snapping it into these channels. And we'll repeat that on the other side. The next step, we're going to take these 2 panels, one upside down, one right side up, join them with the screws. Once those are screwed together with the 5 screws, these will form the back. We want to set this in the channel in either side here. The best way to do it is to put the one side in and then kind of pull the wall out and then bring it together like that. Once the back is fastened on in the channel, we're going to apply this steel bar to the top here. We'll fasten it this way. You can see you need to bring the wall out to get it in the channel and tighten it back up. It's probably best to have 2 people kind of pushing in from the sides on here. Instead, I'm going to secure this and then go work on the other side and kind of force that in to snap. Then we're going to secure the perimeter with more screws. Once we have this all assembled, we're going to put together the lid next. So what we'll do here is push in these pieces until they click, and then we'll secure with screws on either side. Next, we'll attach this piece with 2 more screws up here. Next, we will install the hinges on the lid, 2 screws here and here. And that's what that looks like. Okay, next we set the lid in place. The hinges have their own little channels here. The instructions say to use a second person to help support the lid. Okay, let's do a quick test of the lid here. Next, we're going to work on the left door with the left door part, this part, and this part. So we're going to slide the BS in there, and then this goes in as well, and then we'll clip it in there. And once that slides in, we'll secure with 3 more screws. Okay, we have the doors prepared, and then what we'll do is we'll set these sort of hinges in there to be inserted at the top over here and over here. So then we have our doors that swing. That's what that hinge looks like. Then we join these 2 pieces together, slide this over, and then we'll take this piece along with this piece, set it in the groove, and then screw it in from behind. All right, and once those screws are put in, we are all set here and secure. Okay, and just to show you the size, this is a very large, I'm not sure how many gallons, but this is a very large garbage can. This is a more standard size garbage can that you'd find at Walmart or Lowe's. The recycling can here, but they both fit very comfortably inside. And there we have it. Garbage can stowed away nicely and cleanly. And if you want, you can add the chains to lift up the lid. When you open the lid, you can open, there's 2 chains included. You could also lock that for additional security. So that's really all there is to it for the Keter Store It Out Max receptacle. The only tool that I used besides scissors to cut open the bundles is this drill here. I actually recommend a variable speed drill where you can adjust the torque down so you don't go too hard on the screws. But this is all you need. Great instructions, straightforward, quality build.